standard form, which is when we take it from written form or expanded form and change it into numbers. But now we're going to take it from standard form and expanded form and change it to written form, which means we're writing our digits, our numbers with words. So let's start with this first one. I'm going to read this number out loud, and I'm going to find that I write it similar to how I read it, how I hear it. So I have 261,000. That's what I'm going to start with. 261. So let's start there. 261. And then when I see that comma, I know that's 1,000 because I don't have millions. I don't have more than thousands. My highest value is 100,000. So 1,000. And then I'm going to continue reading. 402. So 261,000. 402. And, right, my decimal says and 1, and what value is that? Tenths, right? It's right next to the decimal, that is tenths. So to write this decimal in words, 261,402 and 1/10. Okay, so now let's look at it from expanded form to written form. So I have 30 plus 5 plus 0.4 plus 0.02 plus 0.001, or we could say 30 plus 5 plus 4/10 plus 2/100 plus 1,000. So we're going to do 30 plus 5, and I know I'm getting to my decimals now. I have 4/10, 2/100, and 1,000. So now I have it in standard form. I'm going to now change it to written form. So just like we would read it, we said 35. So 35 and how would I read this? 421 thousandths. 421 thousandths. I know it seems like a lot of writing, but that is what you have to do. Thousandths. Thousandths. Okay? So it's best to make sure it's easiest to write it from standard form into written form. So if you have to change expanded to standard, do that first and then write it in written form. All right.